look at these boats. Aren't they cool? They got stars on them. Oh yeah, they look great. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Yeah, it looks like you're gonna have a lot of fun.
Mario, I was wondering if you'd like to ride with me?
Well, I don't want to intrude, or, Oh, he'd love to! Go on now, you two. After you, princess. Thanks, bro. You got this, big bro.
Hey, guys!
Thank you so much for watching our video. If you had fun, please subscribe. It helps us out a lot. See you next time.